So back in the garage, there you go. That's the spare wheel well I've done in the last video. Got it all put in primer, as you can see now. It's all like looking quite nice. But I've left this bit up here because I've still got to get a nut, or I've got the one what's probably on the bracket. We'll see. I'm not. The reason probably is because it was too rusty and I had to get it pulled out. But that's the reason why it's not in primer. But we've got to get this bit, and we've got to get this bracket off here. There's another bit up here, as you can see there. That bit there, you can see it's quite right in between there. So I'll probably replace, make a panel up what runs along and does all that bit as well. But that's like I say, I'm not really worried about them bits because I've still got to get the panel for this for the other side. So I'm not too overly fussed. But what we're going to do today is we're going to concentrate on this bit here, where the hole is here. We're going to cut this right round and put another bit of paneling in here. Still got a bit of paint strip on there. Still wet. Yeah, it's not good. So I'll drill these holes out to release this panel at the back, and then they'll be the holes for the spot welds when I put the new panel in. But yeah, what we'll do, we'll get this bit all cut out, new panel, weld all that in, and then crack on with the other side. As you can see, it's got the same issue, and then we can start going forward. So yeah, we'll crack on with this, and I'll see you in a minute. So I've cut this out, cleaned it all up, same as the other side, up there, done all that. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do some cardboard templates, cut some new panels out. I am going to have to take this one completely off. As you can probably see there, look, let's move it around a bit, and a split. So I'm going to probably replace that bit as well. So what I'm going to do first though is get these bits in first, and then I'll then do the bracket after. So I've made the plate up for that one. See the other side, goes the other side. So I'll put that in there. So what I'm going to have to do with this one is obviously we'll take this one out. As you can see, it's moving quite a bit there. So I'll cut that out and then replace the bit behind it, and that'll be all good. So that's the other bit on the other side. That's all cleaned up, ready to go. So yeah, they're all cleaned up, ready to go really. So I'm just going to basically tackle these in now, and then I'll spot weld that back on there, then take that bit out and then replace that bit around the side. But yeah, we'll crack on with this now, and I'll get these two plates in, these little panels. So all welded up, all in there, down there, that bit there I'm not worried about because I'm going to cut this bit around here. So I'm going to get this in place so it's all nice now. Spot welded in, as you can see. Go around the other side, and that's what we had the other side. That's nice. Look at that, all the rot's gone. Quite really nice that did, so I'm happy with that. So I've just got to do this side now. So I'll crack on with this. Let's go. So there you go, I'm happy with that. It's all welded in, that bracket's back in, looking pretty good. I've got rid of that bracket there, and I want to get that hole welded up. There's a little hole down there. So that side's, you can see it's a bit rotten behind there, so I'm going to cut that bit on the other side, so I'll show you. Go around and show you the other side. I don't know if you can see it very well. Oh yeah, you can see it there. So yeah, I'm going to cut that bit out, the minimum bit I can cut out. I think this one's alright. I'm not sure, I'll have to have a look in a bit more detail. I don't know actually, is that a bit of rust? It could be a little bit of rust there, so I might have to cut a little bit of it out. I really want to keep these quite little, so I'll get these all chopped out as much as I can, and then I'm going to make little panels up and we'll get them tacked and welded in. So, just finished these off. I'm happy with that, smoothed it off. Obviously that one I done earlier, so that's all nice and solid now. The other side, that was a bit gone, so I put another little plate in there, smoothed it off a bit, so I've done that. That's going to be all under the seat and that's, you're not going to see any of that. But yeah, that's the other bit I've done earlier, so I'll give this a little bit of a primer. And this is the other side. It's quite nice actually, solid. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start cleaning this other side up now, get all this other bit done, get the rest of this paint off up here and down the bottom, get all this cleaned up. I'll do this in the next video. I'll get it all in, some anti-rust stuff first, leave it overnight, and then in the next video I will paint it all and then I'll move on. So end of the video. Yet again, thanks for coming back. Took me a little bit longer to get one out because some of these little tiny little bits, they take a little bit longer, a bit fiddly. But yeah, motivation's been a bit low, but I've cracked on. Thank you for the new subscribers. Like and subscribe to my channel. And like I said, get yourself involved and I'll see you next time.